O2 highlighter. Highlighta de dimension to air, making it look full and more vibrant. They can also play up your feature, making you look more youthful en radiant. Getting titre me donne à salon quand jet kit expansive, bulukili, doin itao miesi en chipetant EV. Riati article to lire no to highlight your own early capro using boxed highlighting kit available method. Ose the right color. For highlight, best to stick with a color tie-on to wash the light étant your base color. Guinto light concrète en natural, stripy effect. If you have option, go for a box tacom with a tone. Tat stuff tac en tac car of archton, making them apart more natural. Best if you find a detail conditioning and drip free, it'll say on the box if it. Dien your favorite, so if you can retain moistural, you'll be much better off. If you have dark hair, make sure you match your natural shade with the shade on the box. That'll be your airtag color. Protect your skin en clot. Vra a toel around your shoulder or all in a plastic garbage bag en pulit over your head. Virt glove ta comme with your kit to protect your arm from the bleed. The last thing you want is a bathroom covered in mud. For your hairline, cover it with Vaseline if you like. You'll then be able to skip the step of jetting at the off your hair and neck. Just make sure not to jet in your route. Get familiar with your tool. Most lighting kit come with an applicator tool tac en babit cumbersome if you're new to the club. If you have the time, use it with your normal conditioner for practice. You'll see it can some blabit splotchy or gloopy if you don't jet it just so. If it's too big, wish often it, buy a baby toothbrush and use that instead. Some toothbrush is so big it create schnocky strict are less than desirable. Riat box. White all come down to it you should follow the direction on the box. The thing, often company, have been around for years and the process have been refined and can be trusted. So riat direction. Ten riat magain. Juste to be sure. Ton lighting you should consider no doing using at capital if you have really long care, the cap can be more of a nuisance than no. If you're worried about jetting at the place you don't want it, you can put ton ball bar oblique wiper papetoel underneath the section when you're finished with them. Preparably. Follow instruction ta comme with your box kit to determine the color should be mixed. Don't freak out if you white, blue, or purple, ta totally normal. Porte bientôt a small ball so ta you can easily dip the brush into it. A ball you don't even need to use again, of course. Divide your hair into 4 sections. A list. If you like to divide into 12, ta you'll dump a terrible idea. Use hair clip or rubber hair tie to keep your hair in place. You don't want your post-edit section to mesh with the section you have done yet. If you have time, do a strong test to make sure you have chosen the right shade and to determine how long to leave it bleed. It could save you from a hair disaster. A disaster? Nah. Apply light. Star 4 off an inch away from your route and apply bleed from the route to in very thin strip. The tiny light. The more natural the color will look, or erratic light will create a zebra strip effect. Don't stare your roux. You risk jetting it on air you don't want to jet it on and starting out with a big blow bent or much definitely no agoting. Leave the color in for talented team. Be sure to keep on your hair to make sure that light don't jet to light, and check the clock periodically. Leaving it on for more time on jet you a rich color. If you are no sure how long to leave it the in, always go with a conservative estimate. If the light are light on nug, you can always go back and redo them. Remember that light continue to jet light with an exposure and continued washing. Apply the tone, optional. Some home lighting kit include a toning solution, Wish will le blanc light in with the rest of your hair. Ti very godida. It can give you a more natural, shiny tone. In fact, if you're didn't come with on, you can buy separately. With everything else, just follow the direction. Tail be fairly straightforward. Wash out te dit. Shampoo en condition your hair in te shoe, usine te spécial conditionné ta comme with your box, if te rayon. Rince it to rougli, making sur alt dit a come out. Blick en dry out air, if your dien your hair a light shade, ibli, so leave te conditionné in for 2-3 minutes before rinsing to il prestore moisture. Hydration ik right now. Dry your hair with a blow dry or allow it to air dry. Check te final resuline amir or usine natural light. En don freak out. If yalit te le off, j'y ta couple de. Ta initial wash or to cool ton it donne. If you reali don liquide, considère goin tout a professionnel. You don't want to damage your hair en immortant you need to. Te process quand bedonne twist, but if you can avoir dit, dosso. Use le mont juice a natural bleaching proper sita can add de subtle highlight to hair without damaging effectively. Illic te snin free form. Skeuse te juice of several le mont into a small ball. Apply te juice toute strand of your hair from root ou en using a paintbrush, your finge, or be dipping your strand into te ball. See out in te sun for 20-30 minutes to activate te bleaching effect. The method work best on light hair, a darker hair mature orange or brassy. Use Kooled. If you want to add some colored streak to your hair, you need look no furtive on your kitchen pantry. Kooled can be used to achieve purple, red, pink, and green light. Boil water in a medium size pot. Add 4-5 packets of sugar-free Kooled and mix until the pot dissolve. Apply te Kooled to your hair in streak using a paintbrush, your finge, or be dipping your hair into the pot. Leave the color in for 10-15 minutes before rinsing. Use chamomile. If your brunette en just looking for a some light tone for dimension, consider rinsing your hair in chamomile until you set desired effect. Juste bray à peau, leave it to cool, and use it to rinse your normal conditionné out of your hair. Then go relax in the sn. Tio on drastically change the color of your hair, it'll just add de some natural, snkiston. It should take a boo a week. Highlight your hair with chalk. If you're looking for a temporary, fun color, you can dye your hair with chalk. Easier with light hair. Bu darker hair quand ta con amor supple, itori sentit look tafn, to. Super temporary, of course. If you have very light hair, te tin can last true gawa short wo. If it de hair come out completely immediately, it will come out with the next wash.